Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making banana crispy bread. It's very crispy, yummy in taste.
ఆమై మరచి రోజు తిన్నా మరి మోదే తీరనిది.
In a bowl, chili powder 1 tablespoon, pepper powder half tablespoon, salt as per taste, rice flour 2 tablespoon, chickpea flour 1 tablespoon, corn flour 1 tablespoon. Mix all dry ingredients, keep aside. In a bowl, water, salt, raw banana, peel the skin, cut into thin slices. Sprinkle the dry mix. Dab on banana. Oil for frying. Fry on medium heat until changes color. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy with rice. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified.